subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming 5G phone called Galaxy A13, and before the launch, the Galaxy A13 5G smartphone renders along with the key specifications and pricing details has surfaced online by a popular leakster on Leaks in partner with Zooton. According to leaks, the Galaxy A13 5G will feature a 6.48-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with V-shaped notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to support a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 50-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is set to come powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. The device will pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support via Type-C charging port, and it will likely run on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also spotted to support an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone will measure at 164.5 by 76.5 by 8.9mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. As per the leaks, the Galaxy A13 5G is set to price around $290 in the US and Canada, and it is expected to launch by early next year in black, red, white and blue color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A13 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.